we have to classify if our statement is true or false. So first, we have to determine our simple statements. First statement is 6 equals 3 plus 3. This will be our P. And 8 is greater than square root of 69. This is our Q. We have implication here. P implies Q. And we know that implication is only false when P is true and Q is false. So we have to now check our P statement. P is of course true because 6 is equal 6. And Q, we have 8 is greater than square root of 69. Square root of 69 is approximately equal 8.3. So 8 is greater than 8.3? No, it's not true. So Q is false. So we have that from true we have false. True cannot imply false. So this is false statement. This is my solution.